So for this lesson, you basically just need a lot of popsicle sticks and some hot glue. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need is you're gonna need 3 popsicle sticks, and you're gonna put them in kind of a spaced out triangle, so they're not touching each other yet. Then in the spaces is where you're going to put your next popsicle stick. So you're going to attach to the ends of that first triangle space 1 popsicle stick. Then in the next space, you're going to put your next one. So it's super important, you just need a tiny dot of glue for this. And try to make it as straight as you can, but it does not have to be perfect. And then for the next one, which is your last one, you're just gonna use 1 more popsicle stick, and you're gonna put 2 dots of glue and stick that together. So you're filling in the spaces of that spread out triangle. Then the next thing you're gonna do on the raised popsicle sticks, so the ones that are on top, you're gonna put a dot of glue, and then you're gonna stick a popsicle stick to that. So it should not be laying on top of the the whole thing shouldn't be touching. The ends should just be touching the popsicle sticks, so there should be a space in between. And then you're gonna keep doing that. But the trick is that eventually you're gonna start slowly moving your popsicle sticks in so you can see a little bit of it on the outside. And so it's gonna slowly get closer and closer together. So you're gonna see that pretty soon here. So now what I'm doing is this one, this set of 3, I'm gonna slowly so I'm gonna move it in just a little bit. So you can see how it's not perfectly lined up or stacked on top of the one before. It's in slightly. So you can see a little bit of it, kind of like stairs. You can see a little bit of it sticking out the edge. So I just scooted it in a little bit. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm putting dots of glue on the popsicle sticks that are on top, and then in just a little bit like stairs. In just a little bit like stairs. In just a little bit like stairs. So I'm gonna keep doing that over and over again until I get pretty close to the center. So that space in the middle is gonna get smaller and smaller and smaller. So now that the space is smaller, I'm gonna add the bottom of my bowl. So I've checked it, and my popsicle stick will fit all the way across so that I can make a nice solid bottom to my bowl. So what I'm doing is I'm putting 2 dots of glue on the raised part, like the very top popsicle sticks, and then I'm just putting popsicle sticks all the way across the bottom. So I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, and that is what it looks like when I'm all done with my bowl. So I could leave it just like this. Maybe I could paint it. Maybe I could decorate it with Sharpie.